I finished checking in, just walking around the park right now, and I was thinking, I seen an ad a little while ago of a job that was looking for welders, and it said in there in the ad, it said they wanted you to pay for the drug test, they wanted you to be drug free, they wanted so much of attendance, they wanted you to have so much level of certifications, they wanted all this stuff. And then they said for like $15, $16 an hour. I read that shit. I was like, you got to be fucking kidding me. But you know what though? That's the market though right now. Like with what we're dealing with a market that demands so much out of its employees, and only so that way it can get certain tax benefits and tax breaks, but it controls you. I mean, it makes you go through all this stuff just to have a job. So that's why I feel like it's important being independent, doing your own thing, having your own movement, because now it comes to a point where if you're not independent, then you ain't gonna be able to really have the freedom of actually being here in the U.S. Actually living the dream. It's not punching the clock. We all got to do what we got to do at the stepping stone, but it's all about owning the business. Keep that in mind. Hold on.